Can you tell Mommy what you thought of this trip? Have you liked this trip? You ate all of what?
My chocolate.
You ate all your chocolate? What's that?
My chocolate Mickey.
You're telling him you ate all your chocolate? Hey, Kaya, have you met Mickey? What was he like?
Potatoes.
He likes potatoes?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of potatoes does he like?
Yeah.
Green potatoes?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I like purple potatoes.
You like purple potatoes?
Yeah.
Hey, Kaya, are we on a boat right now?
No.
Are we on a boat?
No, I'm a big boat.
We're on a big boat? How big of a boat?
A baby mine.
Daddy, we're doing a movie here.
Okay. Who's off Daddy's shirt?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Becca.
Who?
Becca, Daddy.
I think it's Pinocchio.
Becca.
Yeah?
Say how Becca.
Yeah? Kaya, what did we do today? What did we do this morning? Did we go swimming? Where did we go swimming?
Ocean, Mama.
Yeah? Was it cold or warm?
Cool.
Hey, we gotta sit down. Say bye-bye, movie.
Bye-bye.